Welcome students. Today we'll start with articles. Articles A and the are called the words A and the are called articles. They are usually demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so there are two types of articles, A or an and the. A or an are indefinite articles. Why they are indefinite articles? Because it usually leaves indefinite the person to whom you are, the person or thing spoken of. Listen here in this example, a doctor. It is not specified about the doctor, that is any doctor. So it leaves you indefinite about the person or thing spoken of. So I will tell you where a is used. A is used before singular countable noun beginning with consonant sound. See, listen here. Here example is a desk. Desk is what? Countable noun, and it is singular countable noun, and it is beginning with what? Consonant D. Likewise, a stamp, a book, a TV. So a is used before singular singular countable noun beginning with consonant sound. Then is used before name of professions also. He wants to become an engineer. He wants to be he is a doctor. Okay. Then next point for expression of numbers. A millions, a thousands, a hundred, a dozen. For expression of number, listen, I have a million question in my mind. For expression of quantities also, a couple of girls are playing cards. So here the quantity is couple. I want, next example is I want to buy a dozen of bananas. So here the quantity is dozen. So for the expression of number, for expression of quantities, for specification of profession, so we are using what? A. And here also we are using in the next example before a noun in exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence suggest was sudden surprise, feeling of surprise. Okay, what a beautiful house, what a nice dress. So exclamation mark is also there. So here it's specified what a beautiful house, what a nice dress. Then before a singular countable noun which starts with vowel but has a consonant sound. Okay, he studies in a university. So it starts with what? University is a vowel. Okay, U is a vowel, and we have written what? A university. Okay, Mark is a European. So here what we are pronouncing, although it starts with E, we are not using an. We are looking at what? We are looking at the pronunciation. It's not European. It is European. European. So it starts with U. European. That's why we have used a university. It starts with university. Y. Okay, then we'll start with what? Before adjective that comes before countable noun. He's a good driver. We gave her a picture book. So before adjective, before an adjective also we are using what? A. Then we will start with the use of the article an. And as you know, it is used before vowels, before a singular countable noun with a vowel sound. For example, she is an actor. So actor starts with what? A. Is what? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So we have used an. They live in an igloo. Igloo, then again I is a vowel, starts with igloo, starts with I. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. So listen here. This is example. He is an MP. MP starts with a. So we have used, although MP, M is what consonant, then also we have used N. Why? Because it starts with vowel A. He is an MP. The next, the use of article the. The A and N was indefinite article, and the is what? Definite article, because it points out to some particular person or thing. Okay, the definite article the is used before singular countable noun, plural countable noun, and uncountable noun. So these three things you have to keep in your mind. So singular countable noun here, the book. Plural countable noun here, the books. And uncountable noun, milk. Milk you cannot count. So the is used before singular countable noun, plural countable noun, and uncountable noun. Okay. Then rules. We'll start with the rule. Definite article the is used when we talk about a person or thing which was mentioned earlier. Look at this example. Shruti drew a picture. The picture was beautiful. So we are talking about that particular picture which Shruti drew earlier. Okay. I met a boy. The boy was intelligent. So we are talking about the boy. Okay. So it is mentioned earlier. So we have used the in place of a. We have used the. Definite article the is used before a singular when a singular noun is used to represent the whole class. For example, the cow is a friendly animal. It will represent the whole class. So the rose is a beautiful flower. It will represent the category of rose. It will represent the category of cow is a friendly. Cow will represent that cow is a friendly animal. The lion is a dangerous animal. So the next rule, before the names of mountain ranges, islands, rivers, ocean, gulfs, deserts, forests, etc. For example, the Himalayas, the Ganga. Ganga is the holy river of Hindus. The Himalayas is the highest mountains. Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain. Okay, the Andamans, the Amazon River, the Pacific Ocean is the longest ocean. The Sahara Desert is the vast, the Vrindavan forest. So these are the particular when we are talking about the mountain ranges, rivers, oceans, we'll use if they are unique of their kind, then we'll use the. The is used in superlative. Superlative, positive, good, better, best, like this. Positive, comparative, and then superlative. Superlative, good, better, best. So here she is the most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So we have used the superlative. She is the most beautiful girl in the college. Usain Bolt is the fastest person on the planet. Okay, fastest, faster, fastest we have used. He is the most sincere student. Sincere, most sincere student in the class. So in superlatives also we are using the before the names of the things which are unique of their kind. This the sun, the moon, the earth. We are using the. The is used before the ordinals. ONE1 TWO2 is what? Cardinals. Ordinals are what? FIRST first, SECUND second, LAST last. The first chapter of this book is very interesting. So I have used the ordinal here in the sentence in the form of first. Of very few names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom. So here also we are using the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom. Before the mythological and religious books also, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Puranas, we are using the. The next rule, before the names of historical places like the Taj Mahal, the Lal Killa, we are using what? The. So these are the rules which I have shown it to you. Okay, by heart all the rules. Okay.